So how are you feeling today? Mimi, sit down.
I don't think.
So how are you feeling today, Mimi?
I don't know.
You don't know? Not yet? You don't know yet?
That's why the boy is gone.
All the boys gone. They all go to class.
That
Yeah, they go to school.
go to school.
Yeah, Mimi go to school too.
Go to right there.
Mimi sit right here. Mimi sit right here. Daddy sit over there.
Go right there.
Mimi go over there.
Sit like that.
Mimi, you sit like that over there.
No.
Why not?
You make it.
Okay, Mimi sit there. Daddy sit here. Oh, it's so sunny. It's so sunny. Mimi like pop pop. Mimi like to play at the pop pop.
Why is she spinning?
Oh wow, she can climb.
Look, there's only one.
Only one.
It does have all of them.
How about you? That's two.
Two.
Yeah, that's two. Because you're one, she's one, that's two.
It is.
Yeah, that's two.
It is two.
Yeah, it is.